We've calibrated the rollers for a finer grind, ensuring optimal flour extraction rates.
The delivery mechanism is fully calibrated now.
And the texture is exactly what we needed for the sourdough.
Very efficient.
The process begins with the careful weighing of high-quality ingredients like sugar.
The journey from grain to loaf begins with the precise measurement of liquid ingredients, ensuring consistency in every batch.
We're maintaining the optimal hydration level for this batch. The texture is exactly what we want.
The journey from grain to loaf begins here, as our high-speed mixers transform the finest ingredients into the perfect dough.
The gluten development looks excellent now.
Yes, the elasticity is perfect. We can slow it down.
The elasticity is perfect.
Yes. Yes, the gluten development looks complete.
By monitoring the fermentation data in real time, we ensure every loaf meets our high standards before it reaches the ovens.
The cutter is perfectly calibrated now.
Yes, the consistency is exactly what we aim for.
Once the dough hits the conveyor, it is precisely molded and stretched into its final shape before the proofing stage.
The automated shaping machine can process hundreds of loaves an hour, ensuring perfect consistency every time.
The dough is now shaped into perfect loaves before heading to the proofing area. The parameters are optimal.
Excellent work. Let's maintain this consistency.
See how consistent the bake is across the rack.
My favorite.
Beautiful color.
Check the status light on the proofer.
Looks green. We're maintaining optimal humidity levels. The color on these looks perfect, right on schedule. Yeah.
Yes, the texture is exactly what we want for the sourdough.
The color on these loaves is perfect. Absolutely, absolutely. Ready for cooling.
The moisture levels are optimal.
They're looking great. Ready for the cooling rack sequence.
Fresh from the oven, the loaves are moved to the cooling racks, continuing their journey from grain to loaf.
Once the grain is milled, the dough is prepared and baked at high temperatures, ensuring the perfect rise and golden crust.
The thickness is consistent on this batch.
Yes, they look perfect.
Efficiency is key. The automated slicer prepares the bread for packaging almost instantly.
The final step ensures freshness. Each loaf is sealed by the high-speed packaging machine before distribution.
Check the alignment on that robotic arm. Looks precise. The automated systems are fully engaged.
We're maintaining a steady flow at this setting. Look at the synchronization there. It's perfectly aligned.
Are we seeing any issues with the seals on this batch?
No, the pressure looks consistent. The new calibration is holding up well.
The new line is performing at peak capacity.
Yes, the synchronization is perfect.
After baking and cooling, the loaves are precisely labeled by our automated boxing line, ready for distribution.
From the ovens, the freshly baked bread moves to the packaging line, where it is swiftly prepared for delivery.
Once the bread is cooled and packaged, it's immediately loaded onto these pallets for efficient distribution.
I'm seeing a slight fluctuation on auxiliary sensor 3.
Adjust it down by ½ degree, just to be safe.
Another batch ready to go.
Quality check complete. They look great. set it down right there. Got it. Securing the load now.
Make sure that pallet is secure for the central route.
Yes, it's already strapped down. We should be on schedule.
And they're away. Well done, team.
Traffic is building up near the bridge.
Reroute the Alcobar shipment immediately. Keep them on schedule.
Once baked, the fresh loaves are quickly moved from the delivery trucks to the climate-controlled storage area via our automated conveyor system.
Okay, this pallet is clear.
I'll grab the next one from the truck. I think that's the last one.
Perfect. It looks wonderful.
The sourdough batch turned out beautifully.
They really did. Ready for the first customers.
How about this sourdough here?
Let me see. Wow, that crust is perfect.
Yeah, that's the one.
From grain to loaf, we ensure every step of the process delivers the freshest quality to our customers.
Everything is packed up for you. Have a wonderful day.
Looks great. Thanks so much. Here are your fresh loaves, sir. Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Freshly baked sourdough, the result of careful craftsmanship and the finest ingredients.
There is nothing quite like the taste of freshly baked bread, served warm with a steaming bowl of our hearty tomato soup.
This is the freshest bread I've ever tasted.
Seriously, it's so delicious and the crust is perfect.
We need to ensure the supply chain projections align with the new production schedule.
I've updated the figures. Everything looks optimized and ready for review.
Look at this, the Award of Excellence. We finally got it. And the consumers love the new recipe.
The crust is incredible and the flavor is just right.